This video will demonstrate the topical fluoride application. The use of fluoride provides the most effective method for caries prevention and control. There are basic topical effects of fluoride, which includes prevention of tooth demineralization, enhances the remineralization of incipient lesion, maximizes the resistance to dental caries by inhibiting bacterial activity. Types of fluorides are sodium fluoride, stannous fluoride, and APF. APF full form is acidulated phosphate fluoride. The most commonly used in clinical application is APF, which is 1.23%. Armamentarium required in topical fluoride application. So first is a mouth mirror, explorer, tweezer, suction tip. Then the disposable foam trays, which are available in the size small, medium and large. Then APF gel and a timer or a stopwatch, and timer you can use on the mobile phones. Now we will discuss about the procedure. So first of all, we will do the oral prophylaxis. Then after that, we will do the application of the APF gel is done using the tray that fits the patient upper and the lower arches. Disposable foam tray is being preferred, and after that we will check the tray that is fitting in the upper and the lower arch. So we will check the tray that it will fit in the upper and the lower arches. Now we will check the tray. We will fill the tray. One third of the tray that is upper and lower tray will be filled with the APF gel. Now we will take the APF gel and we will fill the upper and the lower tray. Similarly in this tray. And now you squeeze it so that it is evenly being spread all over the tray, like this. Now you can see that the whole tray, like one third of the tray is being filled with the APF gel and it has been evenly spread. Now upper and the lower trays are being inserted in the mouth. So like this, you have to fold the tray, and upper and the lower trays are being inserted in the patient mouth. So preferably we see, first of all we put the lower tray, and then after that we will put the upper tray. And like this, the patient is asked to exert the slight pressure using the slide biting force in order to close the gel to flow interproximally, and simultaneously the suction tip is being placed and 4 minutes timer is set. After applying the gel application for 4 minutes, after that we will give the post-operative instruction to the patient that not to rinse or drink or eat for 30 minutes. We will instruct the patient that APF gel application should be repeated every 6 months. Thank you.